Crash Course on Film Studies, Global Cinema. Gain an understanding of cinema beyond Hollywood, including films from Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Certainly, let's dive into a crash course on global cinema. One of the most exciting aspects of film studies is exploring the diversity of cinema from around the world. While Hollywood has dominated the global film industry for much of its history, there are countless filmmakers from Asia, Africa, Latin America, and beyond who have created stunning works of art that deserve recognition and appreciation. Here are some interesting examples and stories to excite readers about global cinema. Akira Kurosawa is widely regarded as one of the greatest filmmakers of all time. His films, such as Seven Samurai and Rashomon, were groundbreaking in their use of nonlinear storytelling and complex characters. Kurosawa's influence can be seen in many Hollywood films, including The Magnificent Seven and The Last Samurai. City of God is a Brazilian film directed by Fernando Meirelles that depicts life in a favela, slum, in Rio de Janeiro. The film is a harrowing portrayal of poverty, violence, and corruption, and features stunning performances from a cast of non-professional actors. The Iranian film A Separation by director Asghar Farhadi won numerous awards, including the Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film. The film is a nuanced exploration of family dynamics, moral responsibility, and the complexities of modern Iranian society. The South Korean film Parasite by director Bong Joon-ho made history at the 92nd Academy Awards by becoming the first non-English language film to win the Best Picture award. The film is a darkly comedic satire that explores issues of class and inequality. Now, let's explore some of the top global cinema masterpieces. Seven Samurai, Japan, 1954, directed by Akira Kurosawa. This epic samurai film is a masterpiece of action, character development, and storytelling. Bicycle Thieves, Italy, 1948, directed by Vittorio De Sica. This neorealist film tells the story of a man searching for his stolen bicycle in post-World War II Rome. The film is a powerful commentary on poverty, desperation, and the human condition. The 400 Blows, France, 1959, directed by François Truffaut. This coming-of-age film follows a young boy as he navigates the challenges of adolescence and the troubled relationships with his parents and teachers. Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, China, 2000, directed by Ang Lee. This martial arts film is a breathtaking visual spectacle that explores themes of love, duty, and sacrifice. Y Tu Mama Tambien, Mexico, 2001, directed by Alfonso Cuarón. This road trip film follows two teenage boys and an older woman as they journey through the Mexican countryside. The film is a powerful exploration of sexuality, friendship, and mortality. Black Girl, Senegal, 1966, directed by Ousmane Sembène. This film tells the story of a young Senegalese woman who moves to France to work as a maid for a wealthy family. The film is a searing critique of colonialism and the exploitation of African workers. The Battle of Algiers, Algeria, 1966, directed by Guillaume Pontecorvo. This film depicts the struggle for Algerian independence from French colonial rule in the 1950s and 1960s. The film is a powerful exploration of the brutality of war and the complexities of political conflict. Infernal Affairs, Hong Kong, 2002, directed by Andrew Lau and Alan Mock. This crime thriller tells the story of an undercover cop and a triad member who infiltrate each other's organizations. The film is a tense and stylish exploration of loyalty, deception, and morality. Memories of Underdevelopment, Cuba, 1968, directed by Tomás Gutiérrez Alea. This film follows a wealthy Cuban man as he grapples with his identity and place in society following the Cuban Revolution. The film is a nuanced exploration of politics, identity, and memory. A Touch of Sin, China, 2013, directed by Jia Zhangke. This film is a searing indictment of corruption, inequality, and violence in contemporary China. The film weaves together 4 different stories of individuals pushed to the brink of desperation by their circumstances. The Square, Egypt, 2013, directed by Jihen Nugem. This documentary explores the political upheaval and social unrest in Egypt following the 2011 revolution. The film is a powerful examination of the power of collective action and the struggle for democracy. Atatango, Hungary, 1994, directed by Béla Tarr. This 7-hour film is a sprawling and immersive exploration of life in a small Hungarian village. The film is a masterful exercise in long takes and immersive storytelling, and offers a poignant commentary on the human condition. These films are just a small selection of the many incredible works of global cinema that have been produced over the years. From the French New Wave to the Iranian New Wave, from Bollywood to Nollywood, from the Soviet Union to South America, there are countless filmmakers and styles to explore. In summary, global cinema offers a wealth of diverse and fascinating films that are often overlooked in mainstream media. By studying global cinema, we can broaden our understanding of different cultures and perspectives, and gain a deeper appreciation for the art of filmmaking. And now, as promised, a poem to capture the essence of global cinema. From Hollywood's glitz and glam to worlds we've never seen before, global cinema tells the tales that leave us wanting more. Kurosawa's samurai swords, De Sica's bicycle chase, Truffaut's young boys growing up in films that leave their trace, China's martial arts on display, Mexico's road trip through the land, Senegal's critique of power, with art that takes a stand. The stories of the world are rich. In cinema they find their voice. Global cinema's masterpieces offer us a priceless choice to see beyond our borders, to learn of other ways, to find the beauty in the world, in films that make us gaze. So let us open up our hearts to cinema's endless sea. For in the stories of the world, we find our humanity. Verse 1. In the world of film, there's so much to see. Beyond Hollywood, there's diversity. From Asian tales to African beats, the global cinema offers a treat. Chorus. Global cinema, oh what a sight. Stories from around the world, shining bright. Different cultures, different lands, united by the love of film in our hands. Verse 2. Kurosawa's samurais with swords, and Bollywood's dance numbers adored. Truffaut's youth, De Sica's bikes, all have a place in our film likes. Chorus. Global cinema, oh what a sight. Stories from around the world, shining bright. Different cultures, different lands, united by the love of film in our hands. Verse 3. From Iranian films that make us think, to French New Wave that's avant-garde distinct, Russian classics and Latin flair, global cinema has stories to share. Chorus. Global cinema, oh what a sight. Stories from around the world, shining bright. Different cultures, different lands, united by the love of film in our hands. Bridge. In this world that seems so vast, global cinema helps us connect at last. For through these films, we understand that we are one in the end. Chorus. Global cinema, oh what a sight. Stories from around the world, shining bright. Different cultures, different lands, united by the love of film in our hands. Outrow. So let's celebrate this art that brings us closer, heart to heart. For in these stories, we find our own, and feel connected, though we may be alone. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.